Good morning, chat. Good evening. How's everybody doing this morning? I say this morning, but it ain't the morning over here. Yes, chat, what's going on? How's everybody doing today? Yo, I apologize in advance for the lack of energy. I got sick yesterday. I got sick in Dubai on, well, not really vacation, but yeah, I got sick over here. So, yeah, I got a lack of energy today. I'm not 100%, but I'm gonna do my best over here. But yeah, I got kicked in the ass yesterday with I got a fever. So that's always fun. So last night was rough, chat. When I was going to bed, I felt like shit, and then throughout the night, like, I was just waking up every 30-40 minutes. But I am feeling a lot better today. I just rested a lot, drank a lot of fluids, hydrated, had a nap. So I'm trying to get back to 100%, but yeah, it's annoying because it's like my third time getting sick this year, guys, and it is February 12th. Blows my mind. February 12th, and I've gotten sick 3 times this year. So clearly something is wrong, so I'm going to go home and get some blood work done because I've gotten sick way too much. Not a healthy amount, chat. Not a healthy amount. Yesterday's video was so clean. W, bro. Yeah, yesterday's video, we got a lot of love on yesterday's video. So, yeah, if you guys haven't seen yet, go check it out. Just posted a brand new YouTube video yesterday, talking about a lot of good stuff that was posted yesterday. So, check it out if you guys have not yet already. Also, before we get started, Chart Fanatics Discord. If you guys did not see the announcement in there, go check it out. Big announcement in the Chart Fanatics Discord. It was posted in the announcements area. Go check it out, read it. Massive announcement. When was it posted? 1 second. Yeah, it was posted about just over an hour ago. Hour and a half ago. Big news in the Chart Fanatics Discord. So if you guys aren't in the Discord, !Discord in chat. Join up. Let me get caught up on chat here. You look good, bro. Thank you. I'm trying to get better. I felt like shit earlier today, but I had a nap. Again, I've been trying my best to get back up to par. Took a lot of vitamins, drank a lot of electrolytes, rested. There's really nothing else you can do, right? It's just time and hydrating yourself and making sure you put yourself in a situation where your body can recover. So we've been recovering, which is good. Do you take supplements like vitamins? I do at home, but I believe I still lack on certain areas like vitamin D. No shit, I mean, I live in Canada, so there's no sun out there. So I definitely lack vitamin D. Alright, chat, you know what we can do? Let's hop into some charts here. I am already in longs on NQ from 1 second, chat. 1 second. I gotta plug my I gotta plug the streaming laptop in. All right, we good. If the streaming laptop isn't plugged in, then everything lags, bro. So I have to get that plugged in. But we are in NQ longs. I only have 2 cons, bro, on the micros. So honestly, I can't be like, I'm not bothered about it. My overall target is going to be the upside, chat. I want to see price all the way back up. So I'm just going to use the minis chart. We're into in the micros, but I'm going to show you guys on the minis. I want to see price back up to the highs. Okay, 25,465 at the least, and then maybe highs on the left as well. The reason why I'm break even now is we've taken out these highs. Okay, and we have a shit ton of internals intact. So I'm just covering myself. That's all. I'm just covering myself. So basically entry just like this. So that's what we're looking like. Okay, chat. So I do want to see upside on NQ. Like I said though, now it's in the market's hands. I've done everything I could. Found my entry, managed my trade. If it hits target, awesome. If it comes back and BEs me, whatever, it's all good. I also understand it can because, again, all of this, like, this is some choppy PA. The risk of price coming back down to the downside is high in my opinion still. 1 second. One second, chat. My bad, chat. Give me 1 second here. I gotta fix something. Alright, chat. My bad. We're good. I just had to fix something. We get caught up on chat here. Marco, can you explain to me what's the package of you have? I don't know what that means. The recent Training the Eyes episode was so good. Fantastic. I'm deeply thankful. W, bro. Yeah, a lot of people enjoy the Training the Eyes episodes. It's like one of those... It's just a fun piece of content to make for the YouTube. A lot of people enjoy it, so... Gonna continue making those for sure. Hello, Marco. I started to trade index and FX because of your lessons. I'm winning already. Good stuff, bro. Where is TP and stop loss? Stop loss is at entry, and TP is at the highs. 25,465. Looking for price to get up here. Having a pullback now. We have stock open in 15 minutes. If I had to put my finger on a chat, I think we will come back down and hit break even. But I like I said before, I'm not bothered on it. It's all good. It's come down 100%. Okay. GU shorts. I don't look at GU. In US 30 buys, yeah. I mean, if you are trading US 30, it's completely up to you. Yeah, look, bro, you're at all-time highs right now. It's just price action I avoid. I won't be trading US 30 for a bit. ES, kind of the same situation as NQ. A little bit different though. We've left these lows intact, which is interesting. So ES is telling me downside. ES is telling me downside, in my opinion. So if ES shorts, then I'm gonna assume NQ is gonna follow, and we'll probably get BE'd on our position. Looking over others, gold. Listen, chat, I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at this price action we have on gold right now. I need all of you guys to keep in mind tomorrow. Losing my voice over here. Tomorrow is CPI. Okay? Tomorrow is CPI. Keep that in mind. You see choppy PA right now and stuff like that, do not be surprised. Do not be surprised. So listen, if I had to put my finger on gold right now, bro, honestly, I don't really have a good read on this thing currently. Like if we had to, okay, let's mark out some levels and I'll explain to you why. We have all of these internal points still intact. Okay, these highs here. So buys could still occur. But like, look at the price action here, man. Look at this. This has been all week, bro. Look, this is all of this week's price action right here. That's this week's price action. And you're gonna think I sound like a broken record, but what do you do in these situations? I wait. It's quite easy. Reading liquidity is very confusing. Can you suggest a method? Study, bro. I have countless YouTube videos out. I have a 2-hour long video with Chart Fanatics out. So take advantage of all this free content and study your ass off. Wifey's in chat, of course. Just gotta make sure all of you guys stay in line. How do you look at higher time frames? Your bias in NQ. Overall, chat, like I was talking to you guys about, I do want to see NQ to the upside. But my position taken down here, I'm BE, and I'm gonna remain BE. I can't speak fucking English. We've taken out the highs, so I'm risk off. I understand that the downside is possible, bro. Like look at all this. If you go into lower time frames, look at all this, chat. All that build up of liquidity. So I understand, like I said before, the downside has potential. So I'm gonna cover myself. That's all I gotta do. I gotta cover myself on risk. If we go long, awesome, I make money. If not, worst case scenario, guess what? I lose $0. Absolutely $0. So that's just the perspective you gotta have. That's the chat. We back? Are we back, chat? Stream crashed for a second there. Are we back? We're all good? Talk to me. I think we're back. We back? Okay, cool. Yeah, you're back? Okay. Thank you, wifey. Can't believe wife is across the world from me right now. We back? Okay, nice one. Good stuff. Like I said, yeah, guys, and this is a lesson for all of you guys in here right now. The only question I should be asking myself right now is, am I following my plan? And my plan was to pay myself at this high. That's it. Before I took the entry, I understood that I'm going to pay myself at this high. Once we take out this high, I'm going break even, risk off. And that's it. The rest is in the market's hands. Right? I'm not no fortune teller. I don't know 100% what's going to happen all the time. So all I do is react accordingly and follow my plan. That's the most important thing I can do. If I make money today, awesome. If I don't, awesome. Doesn't matter. We show up next day and we do the same thing over and over. It's all we can do. Broken heart? I know. Trust me, my love. Yeah, all you gold traders. Yeah, like I said, I'm not sure where this thing's heading to right now. I really am not, and for good reason. I can already tell you right now, I don't need anybody to tell me anything different. I know a lot of people are losing a shit ton of money right now. Look at this. It's just natural for people to be losing a lot right now when this kind of price action. So all I'm going to do is wait. I'm going to wait till lows get taken, or I'm going to wait till highs get taken. So you didn't pay yourself yet. I did not pay myself. talking about the dollar pairs, bro, and like, listen, forex has been shit. It's been really ugly. I don't care what anybody says. Forex has been so ugly. I'm thinking tomorrow we got CPI. I'm thinking tomorrow kind of clears things up because yeah, these conditions aren't too nice. You are mute? I don't think I'm on mute. But yeah, the dollar pairs ain't looking too pretty, chat. Something I am looking at though, the only dollar pair I do like is USD CAD. I think the thing is too, I might be even forcing a little markup on this thing, but because the highs here could go as well. You know what? Scratch that, chat. Scratch that. Nothing I like here yet. Nothing I like here yet. You got UJ selling off from the highs. Look at this sell-off here. Kind of mad. Yeah, man. Listen, dollar pairs are just in a really tough situation. I don't like anything really in forex. I wish I did, but ain't nothing looking too pretty in forex at all. Nothing, man. Let's stick with NQ. We'll see what NQ does if we get that move up in NYSE. Check BTC. I know a lot of people are trying to call a bottom, chat. Like I said, if you guys want to stay updated, follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna try and update BTC as much as possible, but we got some downside. We got some downside coming up on BTC. Don't jump the gun. Don't jump the gun. NZD JPY and Swiss franc JPY, bro. Listen, my best advice for you is get off those pairs. Get off those pairs. Yo, what's up? What's up, Abu? How are you, bro? EuroCAD. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, chat. Stay away from these conditions, bro. I'm trying to help you guys save money and not lose. I've marked this high maybe. Wait for that. That's all I can see. Just wait, man. These conditions are fucking awful. Look at this. All week, chop, chop, chop. We got, remember, we had NFP yesterday. We have CPI tomorrow. These things are common. Very common on before big news events, so. Joined a little late. Hope everything's good. Yeah, I'm all good. I'm getting over a sickness right now, but doing well. Doing well. Who taught me how to trade? Someone named Josh. I'm kidding, chat. I'm kidding. The charts taught me how to trade. The charts is my mentor. Marco, do you use the 1 minute? I do use the 1 minute. And the only time I'm really ever using the 1 minute, chat, is if I'm scalping intraday trading on indices. But I'm not using the 1 minute often. All right, chat, we got 5 minutes until stock open here. Let's see if we can get this last push up. If we don't, we're going to get break even and make $0. And that's okay because we're not losing money at the end of the day. And life is still good, man. Life is still good. when you say you wait for the low or high to get taken, you basically wait that the price will come out of balance and take a low or high to get in balance. Yo, Pierre, sounds like you're a little new to my concepts, which is completely fine. My best advice for you, bro, is go watch my YouTube. Go watch my Chart Fanatics video. Yeah, study. Gift Carson says, you look balder every day, bro. Marco, well done. You come live even when you are sick. That's what we got to do, man. That's what we got to do. I am feeling better, though, so. I'm not 100% yet, chat. Not 100%. As you can tell, my energy levels are low. But, hey, we're doing our thing still. We're doing our thing. Marco, watch out gold, my brother. Watch out gold, my brother. Love from Nepal. What do you mean watch out gold? Like check gold out? I'm literally gonna chat my game plan on gold. Yeah, I'll show you guys right now. I can't even really mark out lows, but at the least, price below these lows, and then you have all of these highs intact. Look at this. This is what I'm waiting for. Something like this. I feel like if price gets above here, bro, you could see sells. It's possible. We have been building so much. And like the thing is, I'll tell you why. And this is an easy way to filter out stupid trades on gold right now. All of this, guys, is liquidity. All of this. So, which means all of this is liquidity. All of this is liquidity. All we're doing right now, bro, is literally just building a stupid amount of liquidity. So all you do in these situations is you fucking wait. You wait. You mark out some highs. You mark out some lows. This is where the buildup is occurring from. I marked it out. I wait. I wait. I believe CPI, like I said, CPI tomorrow will clear things up. Marco, will you be on Chart Fanatics Academy? Alan, scroll up and down the website. Here, you know what we should do, chat? 1 second. Oh, I think I have. Yeah, there we go. Let me do something quickly. All right, chat, take a look at this. Boom. This was announced on the Discord already. If you guys if you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. Chart Academy, affiliated with Chart Fanatics, it's the hub of all trading education, man. And again, if you guys are not in the Discord, join the Discord. Get on the website and join the waitlist. Get in the waitlist. Crazy stuff. Honestly, I think, in my opinion, game-changing. Absolutely game-changing to the education side of things. This is going to filter out all of the BS in this industry. All of the BS. You got, like, the best of the best. And I say that, like, I'm on here, and it's boggles my mind that I'm on here. But, like, you got the biggest dogs in the game on this platform. But get on this website, chat. Here, let me post the link in chat. Or actually, you know what? I'm gonna send it to Anth. Anth, you got to do it for me because it's on a different. Spam the link in chat for me, Anth. Mods. get on here, bro, and get on the wait list. Get on the wait list. Lots of cool things coming. All right, NQ selling off the open. Well, actually, the open hasn't occurred yet, but we're selling off right now. We're probably gonna get BE chat. Oh wait, I'm not even signed in. 1 second, man. Why am I signed out now of my accounts? 1 second. All right, we're back. 1 second, chat. All right. So I am BE'd out of my position now, chat. Yeah, we're BE'd. Lows taken, and we are going long again. Let's see what happens here. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing just launches now, chat. I would not be surprised. Yeah, like look at this. Respecting the highs, which is fine. Look at the amount of liquidity we are leaving at the highs, chat. Look at this. Where will we go is the question. Where will we go is the question. Previous 4 hour low was over here. If we can stab lower once more, chat, I'll give one more stab at this long below the lows. So we'll see. Quiet storm. I don't know what you're asking me. I've shown you my entry already. My entry is here. It's below my entry point, so of course I'm break even, right? All right, we're getting a reaction off the back of this low right now, chat. Look at this. What did ES do? ES didn't even take the low. Disgusting. Look at this, chat. Where was your initial stop loss? Right down here. Here, let me just turn my... Where is it? Right there. Entry, right there. This thing might just fly, chat. Might be one of those ones can't be involved in. It is what it is. Yo, this is Marco. Yes, sir. What's up, bro? Welcome in. Are you in on NQ right now? No, chat. I'm not in on anything right now. I'm flat right now. I am flat right now. To be honest with you, I think this thing is just gonna, I don't know. There's so much liquidity to the downside, chat. We'll see, man. We'll see. AUD CAD shorts, let's go. Yo, some of you guys trade some wild pairs. You know what's funny, Chad, is I took an entry here yesterday when I was dying, when I was sick as shit yesterday. And I made like 2,500 bucks. I just didn't post anything, bro, because I was literally dying in bed. I actually, you know what I did? I had a limit set, I got tagged in. And then I woke up, I think in here, and I just closed it. Because I just went to bed the whole time. But, yeah. I was just half dead, man. What's up? My what?
Your like the battery like the one that you did yesterday.
For the phone?
Yeah. Should we go? Thank you, sir.
Kind of hanging around at the low right now, chat. What's ES doing? And YM spiked the high, respected, selling off. Kind of just like bouncing around right now, chat. Excuse me. FX is so stale right now, chat. FX is so stale right now. Gold looks like shit. All these dollar pairs look awful. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. I'm banking on CPI to clear things up for us, so we'll see. That's what I'm thinking. All right, NQS stabbed highs out. Well, look at this reaction, chat. How many days into the liquidity period are you looking? What does that mean, bro? Liquidity period? Marco, do you think there's any potential buys on GU? I don't look at GU. If it looks like every other dollar pair, then I would say I don't know. Oh, Wonder, what's good, bro? Hello, good sir. I missed a full week worth of streams. No worries, man. Hasn't been the most eventful week, so you're all good. Oh my god, position printing, man. You and this BTC message. Killing me, bro. Alright. Getting a reaction on NQ right now, chat. Look at... I don't know. Is it just me, bro? Has this year just been the most awful conditions for trading? So I've been involved in trading for a minute now. And January and February has been just boring as shit. Hello, Mr. Eminem. Can you please analyze copper? UJ selling. NQ going long without us. This month has been very bad. I'm not gonna lie, like I think 2026 has been borderline awful so far. For myself, at least. I don't know. I'm not gonna speak for everybody. To each their own. There's probably people out there that are killing it, but yeah. Do you mind if we call you that, like friends? Yo, what? Good stuff, Quiet Storm. Bro, you look smart in white cap. No hat for me today, man. I'm like half sick right now, bro, so I don't want to put nothing on my head. Do you still remember do you still remember your first withdrawal? Of course. Of course, man. All right, man. We got chat. We have 4-hour close coming in 16 minutes. 16 minutes. The 4-hour comes in and closes. Alright, NQ back below the lows, chat. Look at all these, man. Look at all of these. If you weren't involved in this buy, in my opinion, buys right now are so risky. So risky. You got to be careful. I see Elijah short from yesterday, but for myself, I was still looking for longs. Hey, I mean, it made sense. We took the highs, took a sell to the downside. It's one of those ones like from yesterday. These sells are hard to take for me because we've left these highs intact. So, like I personally would not involve myself in these sells. Same with these up here. Look, highs taken. We sold off to the downside, right? From high to low. But not really typically sells I'll take because we left highs intact. And again, look, took the highs, but we left the highs intact to the left. So, not sells I usually involve myself in. They work sometimes, don't get me wrong, but again, just not my thing. All right, chat. We're coming to clear internal right now. XAU USD higher time frame bias. I currently don't really have one. Currently don't really have one. This is all I have marked out on gold. Literally all. 2 lines marked out on gold right now, chat. That's it. The highs up here and the lows. Just like that. That's all I got marked out, man. Highs and lows. That's all. Ooh, the chart's looking broken right now. Look at the 1 minute. Your strategy beats any I've tried. Curbs bad habits, boosts strengths, and works great on Japanese stocks too. Watch all your videos 3 times. Each time new insights and fixes appear. Yo, see, you know what? Like, people like that, this guy in chat, these are the ones that will see results in trading. I can just tell by his message right there. He's watched videos 3 times each, and he's realized that every single time he watches the video again, he sees things differently. He understands things differently. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Don't know where this thing needs to head, chat. Buying above these lows, bro, is just if we can continue selling right now, chat, to these lows. Oh man, that's such an ideal situation for me. That would be ideal. We would love to see that. ES is still selling as well. Same with YM, not really, but. When will be the next video on inter-equity? 1 sec. Today is what, chat? Thursday? Yeah, today's Thursday. I think we have a new YouTube video going out Saturday, I believe. If not, Tuesday next week. Tuesday next week. I've been more patient since following Marco. Thanks, bro. That's a massive W, and people don't realize how much that'll benefit them in the long run. Being able to build patience early on, it'll only help you going forward in trading. I think that's a lot of people's downfall, is the lack of patience. Just trading to trade, right? Hopping on the computer and being like, fuck it, let's just take a trade today. I didn't take a trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so I deserve to take one Thursday. So yeah, if you can learn how to control your emotions and build patience, then you'll progress a lot quicker than others. Yes, still selling, I believe, chat. Oh. One second, chat. Excuse me. Do we have a giveaway today? Yes, sir, we do. We run giveaways every single stream. Excuse me. Marco, what shampoo do you use for your eyebrows? Bro, what? What shampoo do I use for my eyebrows? I don't use any specific shampoo for my eyebrows, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Do I think ES will continue dumping a reverse? To be completely honest, I think ES can come down here. It's possible. The Everything I Know About Trading in 16 Minutes is the best video. W, bro. Yeah, that was a solid one. That was a solid one. Look at this 1 hour candle right now, chat. What do you think about deep charts? Deep charts is order flow, right? Or volume. Marco, when you're away and sick, do you wonderfully miss wifey? I always miss wifey, bro. Come on. That's why she's wifey. That's why she's wifey. My brother, how do you lock in so much? Any tips to focus on life? I am not the one to ask right now, bro. I got injured in December. I got sciatica in December, and it's completely taken over my life. Mentally, too. Like, I can't even... Like, when I was flying to Dubai, chat, and I was sitting down, My back was screaming for 14 hours. This fucking injury has literally taken over my life in the last couple of months. I haven't ran. I can't run. I struggle to work out because my back is always in pain. Yeah, man. Yeah. When I'm healthy, I already know that I'm gonna be on a different level. I always am. But I just have to get back to that point, and right now I'm not there, so it's tough, man. It's tough, but it is what it is. My best advice for you though is when I'm on my game and I'm healthy, it's just routine. Routine is king. You have specific times of the day you do everything. So for myself, I'd wake up in the morning, I'd run before I stream or before I traded, and then I'd trade for the morning. I'd hop off computer, have a little bite to eat, go to the gym, lift weights, come back, and then I do some work, record some content, do some other things I need to do for my community, and then yeah, that's it. I just have a routine, and I do that every single day, the same thing every single day. That's the best way to do it. It is the best way to do it. I feel you, bro. Going through some horrific injuries since November as well. Yeah, Joe, it's tough, bro. It'll eat away at you mentally. Hi, Marco. Thanks for all the hard work and knowledge you give to us. Yo, Sean W, bro. I appreciate those messages. I really do. Those are my favorite messages to read. Appreciate you. My dad dislocated a disc in his back, and now he can't work out much too. His back hurts for like 15 years now. Oh my God, that makes me sad, bro. Because I listen. It's been 2.5 months for me. I can't imagine 15 years. It really just like, and man, I had a fever last night. And when you have a fever, your muscles like ache and shit. Chat, I was laying down and my back was just screaming when I was laying down. Like, I'm fucking 29 years old. This cannot be good. But yeah, man, it is what it is right now. I just got to get healthy again. Hopefully it happens soon, because these last December, January, and February have been a mess, to say the least, chat. A mess. Marco, can you please upload a backtesting video taking 10 minutes? Man, I've uploaded so many different videos talking about trades. My first time here. Hello, everyone. What's up, Storm G? Welcome in, bro. Appreciate you for hopping in. LCL partial tear and trapped nerve in my back. Can't work out upper push properly because my back just flares up big time. Walking is about the only thing I can do without major pain. Oh, Joe. So it's basically a nerve injury as well, right? Yeah. I have the same thing, a nerve injury. It's a fucking disaster. Brother, if I come to Canada as an international student, I will first meet you. Thank you, bro. Let's go, man. I met some people yesterday at the event over here in Dubai. It was a good time. It was a good time, man. All right, the 4-hour closes here, chat, in a minute. Yeah, just over a minute now. I mean, wow, if this thing goes long all the way back up, is there a way, chat? That would be crazy, man. Look at this hourly candle right now. Yo, you guys in this GBP USD, man. I'm telling you, chat. Like, I'm not the person to ask right now. I don't think any dollar pair looks good. These highs, 1.4 flat, long term. Yeah, no, nothing to take for me, chat. Nothing to take. I want to see price below here. Nothing to take for me. Big surprise. I want to see price below these lows. That's it. Do you have any other in which someone can watch your video from a better understanding? What do you mean, bro? I don't know what you mean by that. How can we participate in giveaways? You have to like the stream. If you like the stream, then you get entered into today's giveaway. That's how it works, man. That's how it works. Just a little advice for them forex traders spamming. Watch Mark Fraser's streams on CF Live. Hey. W. Good point. Alright. The 4 hours come in, chat. And we have just spiked out 4 hour low here. See what happens, man. You make it so simple once you train your eye. Can you share a journaling video? What do you mean by journaling video, Tom? Like what included in it? Like how to journal? Serious question, chat. Is it still considered scalping if your average hold time is longer than your last relationship? Whoa. That's a wild question, bro. Marco, do you think that you miss a lot of trades in London and Asia session? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I trade New York only. So what happens outside of it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. Do you find your style versus Abbott versus Elijah versus Adam all personally dependent? Same concepts, but have a different... I mean, everybody's going to trade differently at the end of the day, right? Foundationally, we see the charts the same, but we're all different human beings, right? We're all comfortable with different things, so. What's good, Mads? Welcome in. Good to see you. We'll pray for your recovery, Marco. Thank you, Gogo. Appreciate you, man. Just in a simple way to journal. I think I overcomplicate it. Yeah, so listen, if you guys need help on journaling, like, don't overcomplicate it. All you guys have to do is literally just document all your trades, right? Like how you're feeling before you took the trade. How you're feeling after the trade finished, whether it's a loss or a win. Did you manage your risk? What was the outcome of the trade? What was the time of day? What was the day you took it? The asset you traded, long or short? All these different things. Document it all. It's important. It's important, 100%. I left every other strategy after learning your liquidity setup. Let's go, man. Keep at it. Keep at it, bro. Still have these lows intact down here, chat, and I do believe it will run for them. Honestly, man, I ain't liking this price action down here. I think this thing could just sell, sell, sell. And ES is ES kind of tells the story here too. With these lows being intact, look at that 4-hour close we just got. Do you think printing and annotating charts, keeping them in a folder is not a bad idea compared to having a digital copy? Yeah, you can do that. To each their own, man, right? Figure out what works for you. Love to see spammers get insta-mute. Mods need more credit. Anybody spamming just gets muted. It's simple. It's simple. We keep it easy over here. Is your strategy similar to turtle soup? I would say no. Turtle soup. That term always makes me laugh. How's Dubai treating you? I mean, listen, I'm grateful to be out here. It's just an unfortunate situation. I got sick, so it's a shitty thing to travel and then get sick during the travel. So. Oh man, NQ has been hideous this year, and I don't care what anybody tells me. What a start to the year this asset has provided us. Absolute horseshit. Yo. Like, looking at the higher time frames, chat, look, let's clear up the chart a bit here. There's a way that we've just printed the high of the week right now. But yeah, these charts, man, ain't too pretty, chat. Ain't too pretty, bro. BTC should continue selling as well. Like, I've been talking about this thing for a while. I don't know, like, this thing could look really, really gross. Go to a high time frame. Man, I don't know, chat. Like, crypto doesn't look good at all on the charts. Something looks fishy, chat. This thing does not look good. Look at ES. Yeah, Mads, we did before. I think ES back down to these lows at the least. That's what I'm eyeing right now. That's what I'm eyeing. Thank you. Continuing its sell-off right now. Lows down here. Marco D's indicators? I do not. Will you come live tomorrow? I am not live tomorrow, but you guys have Matt. Matt is on stream with you tomorrow. Absolutely savage trader, chat. So lock in. Lock in with the brother Matt. Sick trader. Cryptos are deceptive? What do you mean by that? Do you adapt your strategy depending on New York Open versus mid-session versus power hour? How do you trade the model all day? I don't trade PM session. The only time I'll ever really trade before stock open is if there's a news event. Like for example, today. Today, I took that long here. Oops, that's not the right tool. I took this pre-stock open, which I rarely do, but pre-stock open, because there was a news event at 8:30. That's really the only time I'll ever take trades before stock open, I find. Love you, bro. Love you too, man. 40K BTC is possible. 24K would be GG. I don't know. It's hard for me. And like, listen, all I'll say, chat, all I'll say is the chart doesn't look pretty. The chart doesn't look pretty. And I can't put my finger on where it needs to head to right now. Except for 49K. Other than that, I'm not sure. I really am not sure. What makes you choose on what pairs you trade? Just time. I understand. I like these pairs, so I've stuck with them. Why don't you enter short when there's liquidity to the downside? Well, my initial bias was the buy down here, but I understood that there was a chance we didn't take this high. I don't see a sell for myself. I don't see one. How to identify as mods? Get them out of here. Nothing, chat. There's a decent long on German 40, but I wasn't looking. If you were trying to get some longs in down here, or maybe here. That's all I see though. Again though, chat, like this is not pretty conditions though. I don't think there's been like an absolute banger trade this year yet, which is wild to say. We're a month and a half into 2026, but hey, man, it is what it is sometimes. NQ showing a little bit of a bullishness. I want to see if we can somehow get a continuation out of this, chat. We have a 15-minute high we're leaving here. I'd want to see price above this at the least, before looking for anything back down to the downside. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, chat. We'll see. We have these highs intact, though, as well. Can we look for buys to the equal lows at left of NQ? Can we look for buys to the equal lows? Are you talking about sells, you mean? Yeah, it's possible, 100%. You can hunt a continuation. For sure. For sure, my man. Like the stream, people, for giveaway W. I agree. Like the stream for a giveaway, chat. Come on. Do your thing. UJ short entries. Look at that sell-off ever since the weekly high got taken. I haven't seen a single entry though on this thing since the high got taken, chat. I don't see one, man. I really don't. It's been literally just the name of the game recently. Sells, buys, just nothing though. I am bearish on UJ though, so to the lows at the least. This has been a target of mine for a minute now. 151.49. Why are we considering the 10 a.m. candles crucial? Yeah, so listen, the model I posted on YouTube, it's powerful, very powerful. And I'll give you an example. If we are bullish, chat, if we are bullish overall and you see a sell-off happen before 10 a.m., typically what happens is you wait for the 10 a.m. candle to get swept and then you look for that continuation back to the upside. So it's very powerful in continuation markets. Oh, we're back. We're back, chat. My bad. Yeah, sorry. I had the Airbnb, so the Wi-Fi isn't too pretty here. It goes on and off sometimes. Man, that 10 a.m. candle video is a banger. W, bro. W. Yeah, it was good. We got a lot of feedback on the new video yesterday, chat. If you guys haven't watched the new YouTube video, another one got released yesterday, so give it a watch. Let me know what you guys think. And comment on these videos, guys, because I like I said in the intros, the outros, I read every single comment. I literally do. I go through all the comments to see what kind of videos you guys want me to make in the future. So type your comments. I read them. I'll try and make videos that cater to you guys as much as possible. 6 days to the big surgery. W, Mads. I'm sending good vibes your way. Sending good vibes your way. How do you choose which pair you will trade when you are on charts? I choose what pair I'm going to trade if there's a setup or not. If there's no setup, I don't take a trade. Right? Remember, chat, tomorrow at, wait, hold the phone. You can't see this, right? Yeah, you can't. 1 second. Tomorrow at it's not loading now, chat. Here we are. $5:30 p.m. Yeah, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. 5:30 over here in Dubai. But 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow is CPI. So, listen, teach their own. Take your trades today if you guys are trading. But after today, please do not take any trades until post CPI tomorrow, man. Post CPI. Chat. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run some giveaways. We gotta do this a little earlier today, unfortunately. But what we'll do today is we'll do a little funny one today. Wait till you guys see the word for the entries on the giveaways today. All right, chat. Exclamation mark table. Exclamation mark table in chat. You'll be entered into today's giveaway. Wifey just entered, chat. Wifey just entered. All right, I'll give you guys 1 minute. We're going to be doing Apex, Alpha Capital, and 12 months Tradezilla. Apex, Alpha Capital, and 12 months Tradezilla. Exclamation mark table in chat. I believe in you guys. Let me get everything ready on my side, chat. All right, chat. We're gonna close her down. We're gonna close it down. A little bit of a shorter stream today. My apologies. I feel like shit. A little ill today, man. Hopefully sorry, next week, everything is back to smooth sailing. That would be ideal. That would be the goal. I'm just gonna wait for Mr. Ant to send me in all the names, chat, and we'll run this giveaway. Again, chat, listen up. We got Apex, Alpha Capital, and 12 months Tradezilla subscription, which is absolutely insane. A 12-month subscription to Tradezilla. Don't worry, bro. This is my first time tuning in. It was great. Let's go, Matt. Let's go. Usually I have more energy, guys. Chat, listen up, man. I've had a fever for the last, 48 hours, maybe a little less. A day and a half. So I just dragged myself on stream today. I wanted to get on for you guys. But yeah, as you guys can tell, my energy levels are low. You guys are still trying to enter for some reason, and man, you guys are just gonna get timed out. All right, gonna close her down. There we go. One sec, chat. Let me get all the names in here. Perfect. Here we go. Wow, we have a lot of entries today. Excuse me. Okay. Giveaway screen. Perfect. Okay. Chat, let's do this. So again, we have Apex, Alpha Capital, 12 months Tradezilla. Here we go. First one's gonna be for an Apex account. The winner for an Apex account is gonna be Zarath Mulkin. Zarath Mulkin, congratulations, bro. W. You in here, Zarath? You win a free Apex account today. W. Let's go, let's go. Just show me a sign of life in chat. Zarath, there you are. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a free Apex Trader Funding Challenge account. Next one is going to be for Alpha Capital, chat. Let's go. Next one is going to be for Alpha Capital. Here we go. Here we go. Trader Jabus? Trader Jabus? Let's go, man. W. Congratulations. You have won yourself a Alpha Capital account. CFD. Let's go, bro. Show me a sign of life in chat. W's in chat for Trader Jabus. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Trader Jabus, let me know. Let me know where you at, man. Give me a sign of life. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't see him. Oh, here we are. All good, chat. Okay. Congratulations, Trader Jabus. You've won yourself an Alpha Capital account. The last one, chat. Banger. 12-month TradeZella subscription. 12-month TradeZella subscription. Crazy. Here we go. Who's joining the TradeZella family? Kelvrax Torlin. Kelvrax Torlin. Let's go, man. W. Congratulations to Kelvrax. You have won yourself a free 12-month subscription to TradeZella. Absolutely insane. 12-month subscription to TradeZella. Kelvrax, we just gotta show me. Oh, there you are. Let's go, Kelvrax. Good shit, bro. Good shit. W's. Okay, chat. Listen, I love you guys. I'm gonna rest up. I gotta get myself feeling better again. Yeah. Take this weekend to reset, and then I'm gonna see you guys on stream. Yo, so I land back home, chat, Monday morning, but I'm gonna stream Monday morning. I land at 7:30, and I gotta get home for 9 a.m. and I believe I can make it happen. If my flight is delayed a bit, maybe I'll start stream like 9:15 or around stock open, but I will be on stream Monday morning, I promise. I will be on stream Monday morning, I promise you. Okay? But nonetheless, our trade today got break even. We were up like $350 across like 5 accounts at one point, but it is what it is, man. That's trading sometimes. But I love you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And I will see you guys on Monday for a brand new week, man. All right? Take care. All the best, guys. Take it easy. Ciao.